Good morning. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Learn with Aisha. Today here with a very interesting topic, that is digestive system in ruminants. Today we are going to learn about how the digestion takes place in the ruminants. So before I go into the detail, let us understand what are ruminants. Ruminants are nothing but the grass eating animals, those who eat grasses, such as example cow, beef, deer, rabbit, giraffe, such animals who follow the grasses, and the digestion in them takes place in the stomach with 4 compartments. Such animals are called as ruminants. In the ruminant, the digestion starts from the buccal cavity, that is as same as in human digestive system. Here they do not have food near to them, usually the ruminants. So they begin by chewing and swallowing the food. They eat grasses, leaves and other parts of the plant. They have high fiber content and digestive fiber present in the food. They eat such food to digest, and the enzyme which help them to break down the food particles are called as the cellulose, which is not being produced by animal themselves. So they cannot eat grasses, so they are not called as ruminants. So the digestion takes place in the buccal cavity, where they are going to cut the food particles into minute and swallow it and store it in the stomach of the first 2 compartments, that is the rumen and reticulum. In rumen, the process of digestion begins with the first 2 chambers of the stomach, the rumen and reticulum, by softening the indigested matter. The microbes present in the rumen produces the cellulase enzymes required to digest the cellulose. Once the plant fiber have been broken down into minute particles and provide the proteins and vitamins and other organic acids, the nutrients are absorbed into animal bloodstream. So once this process is over, the coarse plant are set further into the next chamber. That means they pass from that to the next chamber for further breaking down, for further digestion, where further bacterial action takes place and the food is formed into soft chunks called as the curd. The curd is sent back into the animal's mouth, where they chew it again vigorously. The saliva of the cow generally aids in digesting the curds. After chewing, the food bypass the next 2 chambers of the stomach and directly enter into the 3rd chamber, that is amasum. Amasum is a globe shape where many piles. Because of its internal structure, it is lined with large leaves and fold of tissues that resembles the pages of a book. These folds absorb water and nutrient from the food that pass through after its second round of chewing. Once this 3rd chamber, that is amasum digestion, is over, the wall of the 3rd chamber smash and compact the food molecules further and send back to the 4th chamber, that is called abomasum. Abomasum. It is pronounced as amasum. This is the final digestion in the stomach is carried out by this 4th chamber, that is abomasum, and then pass it to the large intestine. From the small intestine to the large intestine, there is a outgrowth, there is a storage and this transition that called as caecum, that is sitting between the small and the large intestine in the it is a 3-foot long pouch bag called as caecum. It has little function besides providing storage and transition between the 2 intestines, but it does not aid in the continuous breaking down of the food particles. The caecum have about 2 gallons holding capacity. It can store up to 2 gallons capacity. There is one extra information which I would like to provide is, like somehow we have in human digestive system the villi, which help in the absorption of nutrient and pass the nutrient from bloodstream to the other part of the body. Same way